To assemble and start using your Cochlear Nucleus 7 sound processor, you first need to attach the Cochlear Slimline coil. Insert the coil cable into the processing unit without twisting until it clicks into place. If you are using a rechargeable battery module, align the raised marker and arrows towards the back of the processing unit. If you are using a disposable battery module, align the indents and tamper-resistant lock towards the back of the processing unit. Then, to attach the battery module, hold it at a slight angle to the sound processor socket. Once aligned, twist the battery module to attach it to the processing unit. When assembled, your sound processor will turn on automatically, and a green light will flash to indicate the number of your current program. To turn your sound processor off, press and hold the button for 5 seconds, or disconnect the battery. The light will change to steady orange as the sound processor turns off. To turn on again, either connect the battery, or if the battery is already connected, short press the button. Your clinician can set up your sound processor to turn off automatically when it has been off your implant for 2 minutes.